You can keep that there. Fucking international. That's back in the old days. Everyone got mud boggers.
See, this is the kind of stuff my buddy does LS swaps with, like this type of body, you know, this kind of era.
That's what's wrong with it. You can fire it up.
Yeah, it's all there for sure.
Look, they still fire right up. Hell, that's a good battery in here.
There you go. I'll keep that one. It has a certain aroma to it.
Yeah, it's fucking mildew.
That's the word I was looking for. Yeah.
Fucking mildew. Fucking nasty ass mildew.
That's the word I was looking for.
I was waiting for summer to come along, so I cut that roof off and clean that bitch out one more time.
Oh, I like that old flatbed or ramp truck or whatever you call it.
Anything that you see with the number on it like that, it's gonna get crushed.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I have a question. So anything out of here, can you title it still, or is it non-titleable?
You have to ask her in the office if she has a title for it.
I got you. Okay.
Yeah, most of the stuff she does, most of the stuff.
Gotcha. All right.
I'll grab the rod and follow you.
Yeah, just follow me. I'm just gonna walk. Is there anything up this way that's good or not really?
I mean, just viewership.
That's okay. I'll look at this older stuff down here. Thank you. All right. This is a interesting experience. I'm at the salvage yard, and I walked up to the front door to ask if I could look around, and there's two women working up there, and they start like screaming and fighting with each other, and I'm like, well, if it's too much trouble, don't worry. I don't mind. I don't have to. And this guy's kind of escorting me around. There's some old Mazdas and Rangers that are like pretty decent. They got a bunch of old trucks. And this is in Piney, Arkansas, kind of near Hot Springs area. There's another Ranger mostly there. Oh my God. Durango V8. What's that? These are pretty well built. Yeah, I like these. You know if this one's a 4x4? all there. Yeah, I think it is a 4-wheel drive. Well, I see the differential in the front. So I think it's a 4-wheel drive. All right. All right. 8799. Okay. I think that's all the filming I'm gonna do for today.